The Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Metbah Lyngdoh, today launched the official website of the State Legislative Assembly at a brief function which was held in the Annex Hall in the presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sama. On the occasion, the Assembly Speaker also presented the calligraphy copy of the Indian Constitution to all the MLAs.
Lists of business bulletins which can also be downloaded from the website. Other important documents like the rules of procedure and conduct of business bulletins are also available in the website. We will be updating the website from time to time. Honorable members can also give their valuable feedback and suggestions from time to time. Thank you.
Open. These are items. Beautiful.